Would you like to start onboarding wizard? No. We're
What
all
the
set.
hell is Otter?
I don't
Where'd
know
you
what
install?
Otter is.
Go to. I've never seen
I've
Otter.
never seen Otter. All right. Well,
Would you?
all right.
It must be like one of these WordPress things, like Gutenberg blocks, templates, WordPress importer, like all that stuff must be like one of those must include Otter because I don't know. I'm gonna pull up one of my sites right now and I'll let you know if I have Otter in it because that's the first time I've ever heard Otter.
So when you
Settings.
get
Nope.
into this, when you get into this main form, you're gonna hit plugins. You're gonna hit add new, and then you're gonna search for Elementor.
Yep.
All right. And this is what you're gonna be looking for. You're gonna install it. Do you use the add-on still? Because that only broke one of my sites, but the other site has been like super helpful.
What do you mean?
The
Yeah.
Elementor add-on, and then you can watch.
Oh, yeah, there's plugins for, I mean, if you're using the free version of Elementor, you're most likely going to need some sort of like add-on thing but I mean, honestly, just pay the money for a pro account on Elementor and you
Yeah,
get so much you can do with Elementor that it solves
very
so many
much,
issues.
very much
Um,
worth it.
we are Elementor affiliates, so maybe we could throw the affiliate code
Yeah.
in the bottom at some point if
Yep.
anyone's interested because it helps out the podcast. But anyways, regardless, like Elementor is essentially how I like to describe Elementor is it takes the simplicity of building a website on Wix or Squarespace with their drag and drop editors and brings it to WordPress
Mm-hmm.
because WordPress is a little bit more um, like intense for lack of a better term right now. Like
Yeah.
there's a lot to it where and still Elementor like it just gives you so many more options of how you can build a page compared to using Squarespace or Wix. But it takes the simplicity of those interfaces and brings it to the WordPress platform. There's other ones like Beaver Builder, Divi. I forgot the other popular one. Astra's a theme, but I mean, everyone's kind of got their own thing. Like, what I like to tell clients, like, it stinks when I go to a client's website and they're using Divi because I have to tell them, like, that's not my preferred plugin of choice. Like, I'm more familiar with Elementor. So, like, sure, I can help your site by using what's already existing with Divi. But I mean, there's going to be somewhat of like there's going to be things that I want to do because I know how to do it in Elementor where I either have to learn how to do them in Divi, pretty similar. Usually I can figure it out, but sometimes there's some parts where it's just like I can't do this. I don't have the capability to do this in this other page builder. And then something to keep in mind too, I see so many people who don't understand websites do this to their sites and it messes everything up. They'll install multiple page builders. So
Yeah.
they'll have Elementor and Divi and they'll try and build pages with both and that just breaks the site.
Yep.
Like that's a big no-no. So
Uh,
you got to choose one. We recommend Elementor. It's become one of like the biggest like competitors in the industry for page builders.